Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Vela Visutara, NPM to 4412014 from class AKT 24A. Welcome to this essential video where we're going to explore an important topic in accounting, short-term liabilities. When we hear the word liability, we often think of debt or something negative. But in accounting, it's actually a vital part of how a company manages its finance. Liabilities help a business grow, function, and stay organized in handling its financial commitments. So today, we'll discuss what they are, their type, and why managing them probably is essential for business success. Let's start with the basic idea. Short-term liability is a company obligation that must be paid within 1 year or less. They are usually settled using cash or other current asset. These obligations are not random. They usually come from everyday operation. For example, when a company buys raw materials from suppliers but doesn't pay immediately, or when salaries and bills are due next month, that's what we call short-term liabilities. Debts that need to be cleaned soon. You might be wondering, why don't companies just pay everything in cash? Well, that's because not every transaction can or should be paid immediately. Sometimes, keeping a small amount of debt helps a company maintain flexibility. For instance, a company might need to buy stock today, but won't have enough cash until the end of the week. By recording it as a short-term liability, the business can still operate smoothly while waiting for revenue to come in. In short, short-term liabilities help companies manage timing between cash inflow and outflows, keeping their operation stable. Now, let's move on to the types. The first type is account payable. This occurs when a company buys goods or services on credit. It's basically to promise to pay suppliers soon. The second type is not payable, which a formal written agreement to pay a certain amount at a specific date, usually signed between the company and other party. Notes payable often involve interest and are recorded more formally than accounts payable. There are more examples that we often find in real business situations. Accrued expenses are one of them. For instance, employee salaries that haven't been paid yet, or interest expense due next month. Even though payment has been made, this expense must still be recorded in the company's book. Next, tax payable, which represent the company's obligation to pay tax to the government within a short period. And lastly, union revenue. This happens when a company receives money in advance for a product or service that has been delivered yet. All of these are part of short-term liabilities because they involve obligation that must be completed soon. Now that we've seen the type, let's talk about their main characters. There are several key points you need to remember. First, short-term liabilities must be paid within 1 year. Second, they are usually smaller in amount compared to long-term debts. Third, they are typical paid using cash or asset that can be quickly converted to cash. And fourth, they are closely connected to the company daily business activities. These features make short-term liabilities a big part of a company's working capital, the part finance that keep the business alive day to day. To make this more relatable, let's take an example. Imagine a small hardware store called Majujaya Hardware. The owner buys common and paint from a supplier on credit and agrees to pay within 2 months. That's account payable. Meanwhile, at the end of the month, the store also owes its employees their salaries, which will be paid next week. That's accrued salaries. Both are short-term liabilities because they need to be settled soon to keep the business running without delay. Managing short-term liabilities is all about timing and balance. If a company pays its obligation too slowly, it can lose trust from suppliers and employees. But if it pays everything too quickly, the company may run out of cash for other expense. That's why good management means planning when to pay debts and when to hold cash for future use. Proper control keeps operation running smoothly, protects company reputation, and ensures financial stability. Short-term liabilities are deeply connected to cash flow management. When liabilities increase, companies need more cash to pay them off. If there isn't no cash, it can cause a liquidity crisis, meaning the company cannot pay its short-term debts on time. So, cash inflow from sales must be balanced with cash outflow for expense and debt payment. Companies that maintain this balance show strong financial discipline and are more likely to survive in the long run. Let's wrap it all up. Short-term liabilities are company obligations that must be paid within 1 year, including account payable, note payables, accrued expense, and more. They are not something to fear, but something to manage wisely. When a company manages its short-term debts properly, it stays liquid, maintain trust, and ensure its daily operation continue smoothly. So, remember the key isn't to avoid liabilities, but to control them smartly. Thank you for watching. I hope this session helped you understand short-term liabilities in a clear and more practical way. See you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.